Hey guys, what is up? It's Teddy here and welcome back to another weekly b-boy tutorial. Today I'll be teaching you guys the dance move called the knee drop, or some people call this the pin drop. And like always, if you love my content, do subscribe and also do hit the notification icon so whenever I upload new video, you will get notified. Not only looks cool, but knee drop is a very simple move to learn. Step 1, you're gonna put your right foot to the back of your left knee. Now here's the thing to keep in mind. When you're doing this pose, make sure that your right knee is facing out. Alright? Do not facing front. The reason is when you're going down later on, your right knee will hit the ground first before your right foot touching the ground. This is something that we want to avoid. Alright? So again, right foot behind your left knee and right knee facing out. The next step, you're gonna go down, alright? So when you're going down, make sure your right foot is going out first. You're creating an illusion where you're pretending that your left knee is going down first, but actually when you watch closely, it's my right foot touching the ground. Alright, this is something that you want to work on. Now next step, or the final step, is you're just gonna turn and go back to the stand-up positions. One more time from the top. Going down, turn. That's it for the knee drop tutorial. Remember to always work on the balance for this move, because when you're starting this out, your hand will always touching the ground when you're going down. But it's okay because you're still learning. But as time goes, try to do it without your hand. Okay, you can use your hand if that's something that you want to do. Maybe you want to go to the next footwork or anything, it's okay, but for the knee drop itself, try to do it without your hands on the ground. Alright, so that's about it. Subscribe, like this video, give a thumbs up, do share it, and I will see you guys next time.